YouTube? We back. Know it been a minute, man. Know it been a minute. Finally got a house y'all can see, man. So I got a lot of updates coming for this right here. I want to get it washed up, man. It's about time I get it washed up. Got a new grill to install on the 86. Call it the 86 Bumblebee. And man, I had to slow up my garage build. I know I made the last video. I was in the garage. I was just getting a new garage and doing some work to her, but you know, I had a lot going on, man. I got a lot of updates for y'all, man. You know, as you can see right here, I no longer have 2 vehicles. I still got the Charger too, but it's not here right now. But I no longer have 2 vehicles, man. And the 2 vehicles I no longer have are gonna be, drum roll please, gonna be the 2500 Ram. I know it's heartbreaking. I no longer have the 2500 Ram, and I no longer have the 1972 hardtop Cutlass Supreme. So I had to sell the 72 because at the time I didn't have anywhere to keep it, and it was a big job there. When I got a quote to figure out how much the restoration was going to be on that vehicle, it just was overwhelming. While I was still working on this vehicle, and I'm still trying to get this vehicle painted, which it does run and drive. I mean, if y'all seen the videos, it runs and drives, it cranks, it starts, it does all that. But it's some things I still want to get done under the hood. But just doing my storage build on this vehicle right here, man, it just was way too much, bro. I mean, if y'all don't know, I'm just give you a backstory. So before moving here, I was living in apartments, and I had about 5 or 6 vehicles, because this is what, 4, include my bike over there. This is 4. I got my Charger, which is 5, my truck 6, the 72 would be 7, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So I had too many vehicles, man, staying in apartments. I mean, I had too many vehicles, bro, staying in apartments, which off and on they would harass me. They would sticker my cars. I mean, they would do all kind of stuff, man, to just annoy me, bro. And as you see, all of my cars have tags. I mean, despite how rough it looks on the outside, I mean, even this vehicle, don't mind the tail lights. I'm taking them off. I'm putting new tail lights right there. But even this vehicle has a tag on it. So all of my cars have tags, man. You know, so I don't know why they kept doing that to me. And you know, friends and family were just saying, man, you know, you need to find a house, you know, you stay in apartments, they keep bothering you, you know what I'm saying, you paying your rent. And then in spite of all the harassment I was getting due to having all the cars in the apartments, because I'm gonna be honest, where I was living at, I probably was the only person in the whole entire complex with about 6 or 7 cars outside. You know, so, you know, that, you know, it is what it is. I like cars. And mainly I like my 86s, you know, which they would typically sit in the apartment, you know what I'm saying, year in, year out. I wouldn't drive them, wouldn't move them, you know, just to, you know, crank them up and start them, you know, things like that. But I mean, a person that has, you know, 4 or 5 cars, you know, you can't force somebody to drive them every day. You know, that's just, it is what it is. And for my guys who has old schools, and you know what I'm saying, maybe a bike or two, you know, when it get cold, you know, you lock the bike down, you store it, and it's gonna sit for about 4 or 5 months. You know what I'm saying? And once it get warm, you know, you're gonna ride on it until it get back cold again. And that's the whole deal with my bike. That's why it's over there. Cause I'm not riding it. It's getting chilly outside. I'm not riding it. But now would be the time that they would probably harass me and bother me for having 4 or 5 spots that are not being moved or utilized because my cars are just sitting in them. But once again, I keep insurance on them, and they all have tags. So I don't know why I was being harassed. I still don't know, but I'm glad that I'm no longer there. I have more space and more land, even in my backyard. I have more land back there that I can store more cars, even in my backyard. So, you know, we back, man, with another video. We back recording. I just got updates after updates, man. Those storages that I was having also, you know, the first one I started out with, if you go on my channel and look at the videos, I want to say it probably was about, maybe about 100, maybe 120 a month. And then it went from me getting the one that only could fit maybe one car on my bike to fitting like maybe like 2 or 3 cars. I think it was like two cars in my bike. It went from, and then I had a whole sectional couch in the inside. So that storage was like maybe about $350, maybe $400 a month on top of my rent. So that's like a car note for some people. So I mean, yeah, I'm back, man. Just know I'm back. I'm saving money. I'm back. We're about to go ahead and probably wash her up maybe today. And I'll come back with another video of how she looks after a wash and maybe a whole, I want to say maybe like, it's been maybe, I want to say maybe it's been over 2 years since I washed this car, bro. I know that sounds crazy, bro, but it's been maybe 2 years since I actually washed this car. I haven't washed this car in like 2 years, bro. So I'm gonna see how she look after I give her a scrub down to try to get some of this hard stuff off, and then I probably may just take her to like a drive-through car wash. Y'all let me know in the comments too, man, if y'all think I should even run this through a drive-through car wash. And like I said, I'm gonna try to get all the hard stuff off myself, all the hard bark. I'm gonna try to get it off myself. But y'all let me know if y'all think I should run this through a drive-through car wash. Cause I know y'all have probably done it before, and I don't know if y'all probably messed something up. And that was my concern. You know, these old school cars, man, it's like they so fragile, bro. Like they look good once they're done up, but man, they be so fragile, bro. So I'm kind of scared of running it through a car wash. And I'm just doing this to check. Like, it's not loose or anything, but I'm just so scared to run that through a car wash. In theory, because I think I'm gonna break something, or I think something's gonna fall off, man. I mean, if y'all got some old schools, y'all know what I mean. Every time you jump in them, something may mess up. You know what I'm saying? You can't really let your kids ride in there with you. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all, man. I'm glad to be back recording, man. You know, it's been too long. You know, I'm still trying to get monetized. I had to stop working on this vehicle due to legal situations. And what I mean by that, man, I got arrested, man. I got arrested, bro. I know it sucks. I got arrested. They gave me 8 charges, bro, when I got arrested, bro. They gave me 8 charges. Hold on. I'm gonna actually show y'all so y'all don't think I'm lying to y'all. I don't. That's one thing we don't do on the channel, is lie. So I'm gonna show y'all. The grace of God helped me through this process. And that was another reason why I stopped recording. Because at the time I had got arrested or whatever, I just didn't know the outcome. I didn't know what the outcome was gonna be. I felt bad. At first I thought I was gonna lose my CDLs. If y'all know, I am a CDL driver, so that was another thing. So all right, boom. Hit y'all with everything is everything. So they gave me reckless conduct, fleeing and attempted looting, a police officer, reckless driving, failure to wear protective gear on a motorcycle, failure to carry license, improper use of lane, speeding, too fast for conditions. So man, I had 8 charges, bro. They gave me 8 charges, bro. I was riding my motorcycle, and if y'all know, I got music on my bike, man. Everybody who knows me know I got music on my bike. I wasn't wearing my helmet. I had a hoodie on at the time, so if you got a hoodie on, you got music playing, and you going in one direction, I'm not looking back thinking that the police is behind me. Like, I got a tag. My tag is up to date. Birthday in December. Everything is up to date on all my shit. So at the end of the day, when the police finally caught up with me, I kind of made it back home from being like down the street, and he felt like I was running from him because I was kind of driving my bike a little fast. I was going around a few cars, yada yada yada. I can talk about this now for the simple fact that everything is done. I moved. I'm in a better space now. I still have my CDL license. Yeah. But in the end, I did have to make a plea. I had to plead out to one of the 8 charges. I'm not gonna say which one it was, but just know I still got my CDL license. I'm still making money. I'm still working. And I'm in a better space, man. Man, thank God. So if y'all got a Riker and y'all ride y'all Riker, please wear y'all helmets, man. Please, please, please wear y'all helmets at all times. You know, at this point now, I rode my bike since I've been arrested, but I ain't gonna lie. The first day when I got out, I'm gonna be real, I hopped on my bike. I had to, like, I don't know, I'm still kind of young, so I had to show them, like, hey, you know, y'all did lock me up, but I still got my bike, you know. I had to pay for a lawyer. My lawyer fees was ridiculous. But, you know, thanks to her, she helped me through the whole process, and made sure that, you know, the outcome was something that I can digest, and something reasonable. So, you know, I'm just letting y'all know, man, I got an update. I'm back recording. I'm back making videos. So it is what it is, man. Catch me in the next video.